But we're not like other creators where we just accidentally happened upon YouTube's success. We've known all along that there's potential in making videos, and making a living from it has always been a goal of ours. However, we have been surprised with the direction that our content has taken.
If you're completely unknown to the internet, our best advice would be just to start creating videos. Obvious, we know, but it's so easy to just stay in planning mode and never actually create anything. But the truth is, even if you're already an established writer, your first 10 videos or so are going to be kind of awkward and you're probably not going to like them at all.
And that's because you can't research your way into making better videos. You just have to practice. When you look back at the footage, your eyes are going to be shifting around when you thought you were looking directly in the lens, and you're going to be soft-spoken when you thought you were shouting.
If we were to refilm our backpacking trip, we would do it completely differently. Before, we sat down at the end of the day and we recapped everything that happened. If we were to do it now, we would do short updates throughout our day because we know that that's so much more entertaining to watch.
But the point is, we did it anyway, and although it's not perfect, it's still something we're very proud of and something we can always look back on. For our first year, most of our videos got less than 200 views, and most of that was friends and family. But that slowly grew. Soon it was 250 views per video, then 400, then 500. And now we're averaging between 5,000 and 30,000 views for each video. It's easy to say that in just one sentence, but the reality is that was spread out over 12 or more months that were very frustrating. The reason we kept going though is because we saw steady growth, no matter how small. I remember specifically that we were very excited when we got at least one new subscriber every day. That was a big milestone. And then getting 10 subscribers a day was insane. And 1,000 total subscribers over the lifetime of our channel was like mind blown. Just keep in mind that growth on YouTube is slow and exponential, meaning that at the very beginning, you're gonna see hardly anything, and then one day, it's just gonna take off.